welcome back to my channel. This is Reed from Bhutan, and today we're going to be talking about some Indian clothing haul that I recently shopped from Myntra and Jabong. And without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up if you think that you like this video, and also connect with me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. So let's get into the video. Far from the camera, that's because so that I can show you guys properly. So the very first kurta that I'm going to show is from Anouk, and the kurta goes like this. It's a very simple cotton one which you would probably wear when you're going for parlor, or when you're going to nearby stuff. Either you can wear it with jeans. It is a little high-low. This is the front, this is the back. So either you can wear it with jeans, palazzo, or however you want to wear it. I wear it with my little above the ankle. I have capri, which is a legging sort of stuff. I wear it with that, and this looks really nice, and I really like the detailing that is going on the sleeve here. It is so pretty. And yes, this is a pure cotton kurta, and this summer, like, Delhi is literally burning with heat. It's so hot here. So all the prices and everything from where I got, I don't remember which one is from Myntra, which one is from Jabong. So whatever the prices would be, I would be putting everything in the description box. So make sure you check that out. Okay, so the next kurta is from Libas, and I think I got it from Myntra, and I'm going to put everything in the description box. And this is a little loose. You can see it's very loose, and this is from Libas, and the price MRP is $13.99, but I got it for 700 or 800. This goes like this. It has this pattern polyester kind of cloth going on, and it has these tie-ups here, which is so nice. It's stitched, so you cannot tie or open it up. It's stitched permanently, so it's like this. This is again a pure cotton one, and I really like the color, the beige, the cream, the brown, and the orange is just adding a perfect pop of color. One is from Alia. This is medium size printed kurta. The MRP is 1799, which is 1800, and I think I got it for 800 or 900 or so. I will link all the links in the description box. I don't know whether they have increased or decreased the prices, but I will write my original price for which I got it, so you can just compare if you're having. Now this is just a normal kurta, right? But the one thing which I really like is, you see the bottom. The bottom is like this. So this is a high-low kurta. So you wear legging. If you wear a pink legging, so this back printed portion will show up, which is like really cool. Ever since I got this kurta, I have already worn this for like I think 2 or 3 times. This is from the brand Nayo, and this goes like this. It's a basic pure cotton thin material, perfect for summers. Sorry for the burp. Kurta, and it goes like this. It is again high-low, but it has this kind of. And then I got this pink Biba legging, which is just a basic one, but I just wanted to show you guys. Yes, this is the basic. One of my favorite. I love the color. I love the trendy work which is going on. It's really nice. By the way, that blue kurti that I showed you guys, it has pockets, which is really cool. And even this kurti has pocket in it. So this is the one. It is again little loose on me, but I love it. I love the color, and especially the pink is popping out very beautifully. It has this mirror work going on, and the embroidery is cute. Pink sleeves, and the mirror work is going on. The embroidery is so clear. I love the color. This goes like this. It has a circle on the shoulder which comes like this, half here, half in the back. I really like this kurti. I pair it up with pink palazzo, and I like it. So it has pockets. kurta sets, and these are the kurta sets that I got, like a kurta with a plazo or pant or pajama. So the very first one is a very basic one, and this is from the brand Libas. Now Libas has some really good stuff and it's affordable, it's nice, not so costly. The kurta is basic onion color. I love the color. This is so cute. The color is so good. It has these buttons going on, fabric button going on, half sleeve kurta, but a really long one, like it's really long. And with this, this is a mix match one, like I mixed and matched. This was not on the as a set available in the site, so I just mixed matched these two. The plazo is like this. It is a printed plazo, black and onion and cream, white, whatever. These are really pretty, and these two I got for together were for 1200 or 1300, so it's really nice. Another favorite brand of mine, it's available on both the sites. It's available on Myntra, it's available on Jabong, and the brand name is Varanga. So Varanga has some really amazing stuff, especially, you know, the quality, the price that you are paying, you're getting so good quality material. This kurta is so superior. It's so soft, it's so nice. Even after I haven't washed it, but it's so pretty. Now I got this kurta and plazo because I thought that this color would really look nice with my chuda, and this looks amazing. This is such a different muddy brown you know, shade. I love this kurta. The kurta is long, just like normal long A-line kurta with a dual print going on with some buttons, and the sleeve also has this detailing thing here. So this is the kurta, and with this we have this plazo. Now the plazo is kind of a skirt plazo. Varanga has some really amazing stuff, guys. You should definitely check out. The plazo is like skirt, so once you wear it, it feels like you're wearing a skirt. This is the plazo. This is one leg, that is the other leg, so it feels like you're wearing a skirt. And the plazo that I told you, the basic blue printed one, but I really liked the, you know, I really liked the kurta. It's so beautiful. It's a A-line kurta. The colors are so amazing. I don't have this color with me. I have yellow, but I don't have this mustard shade. So this is the kurta. It has this blue detailing, and the pockets are this. They are not so long. Pockets are not so long. Pockets are still here, and the buttons are going all below. And this is the end of the kurta. This set was for 1500. Yes, it is cheaper than that one, but that stuff is amazing. So this is the tag Varanga that I got from Myntra, Jabong. And before you know, watch any other video, just check out the description box. I have put all the links of the products. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I have so many hauls coming up next. So stay tuned to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share. So what's wrong with me? And the embroidery is